Hello, guys. Nice to meet you again in this episode. So, without taking too much time, let's continue the gist. It's a life lesson, and I'm ready to share it with you guys. So, after a week with my instant lock, I just couldn't bear it anymore. Giving, um, it was not giving what it was supposed to give. The locks was okay, it's just that I was discouraged. You understand? Seeing your a part of your hair detached from the remaining part, it was scary. So I decided to take it down. I paid someone to take it down for me. Brethren, brethren, the amount of hair I lost. The amount of hair I lost, and I started regretting. Maybe I should have not taken it down. Maybe I should have just trusted the process. The amount of hair I lost. Just imagine from this to this. It wasn't even funny, but I was too devastated to even cry safe. I was just tired. I was like, whatever happens, happens. I was just numb emotionally. I just wanted this whole situation to pass. So I don't know if it was the fault of the person that took it down, but in a week of having locks, and I lost so much hair as if I'd had locks for over a year. It was not adding up at all. On a second thought, maybe it's because it's instant locks. Probably if it were a starter lock, I wouldn't have lost that much hair. So I took it down and I was discouraged by how much hair I lost. In my heart, I grieved my hair, but I was just too weak to cry. I don't know, I find it hard crying out. So it is what it is. I just trimmed it. I trimmed my hair up. I trimmed it up. After trimming, I knew I wanted locks. I wanted my scalp to rest. I knew I wanted locks. I knew it in my spirit that I needed to be locked in. So after a few days, I came back and locked my hair up. And this time around, I went for micro locks, micro starter locks. Although not too micro. I didn't want it to be too microscopic. So I just went ahead with starter locks, and this is what I would have done long ago, but I wanted to beat the time of long hours of retying, so that's why I wanted traditional locks, and I loved the look of traditional locks. It was my vibe, but at the end I had to take what I was running away from, micro locks. And I don't regret it, even though I don't know how it will turn out in the future, but I'm being hopeful. I'm willing to trust this process because I've sacrificed so much to be here. If I'd known, I would have just done micro locks in the beginning, and all these all these issues wouldn't have happened. But all in all, I thank God. So if you still have your hair, please take care of it, love it. I miss my hair not because I I want my hair back. I only miss my hair because it deserved better. It didn't it didn't deserve to just go away out of it didn't deserve to go away out of breakage, out of severe breakage. It deserved better, and I wanted to preserve it by locking it since I was tired. I felt that okay, I have put so much into my natural hair. It's time to wrap up. So instead of cutting it, I decided to lock it. But I ended up making a wrong move that caused so much breakage. But These ones that remain, the survivors, they are thriving, and I'm so proud of them. And I believe that they'll come out beautiful in the long run. So this has taught me a lot of lesson. This incident has taught me a lot. It has opened my eyes to a lot more than I can admit. So to find out these key points, I would love to see you in the next video where I will share how I related this incident into my personal life and the keynotes I got from it. See you in the next video. Thank you.